I think, that's the magic of this program, right? They've combined two facets of the education experience kind of into one. There is a comprehensive curriculum, right? A curriculum that you must, there's no way to move around it. And in my opinion, it's one of the top curriculums I've ever come in contact with, because it takes into account so many different facets of the industry, and you can kind of tailor fit the education to be specific to what you're looking to do. So there's a curriculum component that is much like other schools. You have homework and things that you're required to do, and then you're then taking that into the studio, and now we're applying those things in a real world scenario, right? You're getting that experience. So learning as an extern, you're doing essentially two jobs, or two education jobs, if you will, in kind of one setting, right? You're doing the curriculum, you're learning those things one-on-one with a mentor, with a person who has that experience. And in my case, like, once the teachers become experienced with the curriculum, we can really kind of go in there and think about things that weren't said or could have been said differently. Or maybe we have these lectures. In my case, I have lectures that I do, for each lesson. And I've been doing it so long now that it's like, I know the benchmarks of what that person needs to learn, and I can then gauge how that person is learning as we're kind of going through those things. And then you don't have to even leave the classroom. You don't have to go to another place. You literally just take off your learning hat, you put on your extern hat. Now you're helping out with things around the studio, and you make yourself indispensable. And what happens is the transition then from being a student to becoming an employee becomes supernatural. It becomes super organic. It's your everyday experience in the studio.